How to put a check mark in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply select the cell where you want check mark and then go to Insert at the top, which is beside Home and Draw. You'll find Symbols at the top right. Click on Symbols and then again click on Symbol. After you click on Symbol again, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At top, you'll find Font. Simply select Wing Links. After you've selected that, scroll down. Check mark will be at the bottom. Simply click on check mark. After you've clicked on check mark, simply click on Insert at the bottom. After you've inserted, simply close the tab. After that, as you can see, there is check mark in the cell I chose earlier. And this is how to put a check mark in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for joining.